Welcome to our Surgical Technologies channel. If you are part of the surgical field, whether you are a trainee surgeon, beginner, surgical student, surgical nurse or surgical technologist, you are in the right place. Here we deliver detailed insight into surgical procedures, knowledge of surgical instruments, step-by-step tutorial for various latest technique, a comprehensive guide to suturing method. Before this video, I have uploaded video on figure of 8 suturing, mastering advanced suturing techniques, suturing hack, advanced tip for suturing. You can watch this video from the link given in the description. So guys, we are excited to launch a new series focused on suture techniques from basic to complex suturing. This series will cover which suture technique is suitable for different type of laceration, what type of suture material to use, which instrument are required, a complete step-by-step guide for each method. Whether you are starting out or looking to refine your skill, this series will help you master the art of suturing with confidence and precision. We will uploading a various type of suturing technique, step by step and one by one, from basic stitch to advanced method. You will learn which technique is better, which type of wound, what suture material to use. If you're curious about any specific or latest suturing technique, feel free to ask. We are here to help. Stay connected with us for more advanced suturing tutorials. Thanks for watching.